There are different ways the user can change between grips and tables. This tutorial shows you the available grip switch triggers and how to map them. Connect to your COVVI Hand. Once the navigation menu shows, select the Grip Switch Triggers button from the list of options. The Grip Switch Triggers section is divided into three. The first 3 triggers are signal-based. The next 4 triggers are thumb tap-based. The final 4 triggers are hold-based. There are 11 triggers available. The triggers can be mapped to a grip, and this can be done by either using muscle signals or a specific feature on the hand, i.e. the dorsal button. To assign an action to a trigger, click on the trigger you want. From there, you'll be taken to their options screen. If you're unsure of what a certain trigger does, please read the description at the top of the screen. If you don't wish to use a certain trigger, select Trigger Off at the top of the list of actions. You can map any action to any trigger. You can also assign an action more than once. However, you can only map one action per trigger. The actions are what you assign to the triggers to make the hand perform in a certain way. For the map to grip action, you can choose up to 4 grips. To assign a grip, click on the action and choose the grip you want from the list of grips. Choose the action you want to assign, then click on the arrow in the top left corner to go back to the Grip Switch Triggers screen. The action will be assigned to the trigger automatically. You can configure the hand as basic or as advanced as needed.